Hi, let's make this a fun and safe holiday for you and your whole family. Only use legal fireworks. How do you know they're legal? Anything sold within city limits is legal. Anything that goes up and goes boom is illegal. Keep legal fireworks away from people, houses, and other flammable materials. Even sparklers, although legal, can burn hot enough to burn grass. Don't hold fireworks or relight duds. Once lit, fireworks can explode easily and cause bodily injuries and burns. That would be bad. Have a water hose nearby. Be prepared in case a worst case scenario happens and you need to put out flames. Don't be a litter bug. Throw away the leftover fireworks and make sure you also soak them in water for several hours before throwing them away in the trash. Only use approved fireworks between noon and midnight on the 4th of July. This allows those who are sensitive to loud noises, especially the elderly, children, vets, and their pets, to plan ahead. I'm certain that everyone is going to follow the rules, but just in case you don't, my friends at the Mount Vernon Police Department are ramping up their patrols and handing out $355 tickets for anybody breaking the law. So please remember, only light legal fireworks from noon to midnight on the 4th of July. Use them safely. And if you want to see bigger fireworks, come on down to Edgewater Park and participate in the fabulous 4th of July celebration. Thank you for doing your part in making this a safe and enjoyable 4th of July weekend.